Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I will teach you how to reformat a laptop. Connect your laptop to a power source. Open your Windows setting. Click Update and Security. Click the Recovery. Click the Get Started. Click Remove Everything. Click Change Setting. Tanggal the data erasure citation to on click the confirm. Follow the on screen instructions to reformat your PC. Reformat your PC. Go to the next. How to the window install Windows 10. Connect a blank USB flash drive or insert a blank variable DVD. Make sure you have a product key. Go to http://Microsoft and use software download Windows N120. Click download tool now. Double click the download files. Click accept. Click create installation media and click OK. Select your preference and click next. Choose an installation type. Click next. Create your installation media. How to create a partition. Click go. Click utilities. Double click this utility. Select your hard drive. Click partition. Click plus. Determine your partitions. Select a file format for your partitions. Click apply. Click done.